See, we are now we see that our melon here is now matured already. See, now this is ripe. So we will harvest this now. I will check only because before I have put here one blade here. This blade. So we will harvest this now. Alhamdulillah. Like number one. Even though this melon, I forgot to put water because sometimes I am busy. But alhamdulillah, it giving fruits. Oh, there's a little damage there in the sides. Maybe the insect is want to check what is the taste of my melon. That's why he eat a little. Good. Because of lack of water, that's why the fruits of my melon here is a little small. But alhamdulillah, but we are harvested one watermelon, oh good, there is another there, but that is not mature. Still waiting maybe 1 week. Here our plant is very healthy, alhamdulillah. This alugbati, see the tops, oh. It's too much healthy, the shoot. And also we have the one new melon here, see, alhamdulillah, this also healthy. And also the climate now is a little coming good now, because now is not too much hot. See, the shoot is very healthy. So inshallah after I will also harvest this alugbati. See downside here, there are also watermelon there giving fruits. But I think this watermelon, it will not grow big, because you see the leaves of this watermelon is very small. That's why I think it will not grow big. But alhamdulillah, even though this small only, the good is I can harvest inshallah. This also, I think, even though this is small, I think this is already mature. After I will harvesting also this watermelon very small, because see the leaves very small. That's why its fruit is small also. See the watermelon, if the shoot is going upside, is like this. We will pushing it to downside, so that the shoot will not exposing to sunlight. But now alhamdulillah, I noticed that the season now is a little changing. Unlike before, this is too much hot. But even though like this, we have to let this bring down the shoot of our watermelon. Like this. See our you see the fruits of our watermelon is like only egg, a big egg, like ostrich egg. In this side, our melon here is old enough, but even though this melon is old enough, I not removing. because of I see this is more leaves here. These leaves I can use this to make this fertilizer for the other area. And even though this melon, I'm happy also because you see, even this is old, it give a little fruits here. See, it's like a small ball. If like this, you see, this is too much exposing to the sunlight, so we must give protection of this, because if we not protect this from the sunlight, even though this fruit is young, it will become mature very fast because of the climate, so better to cover it. See this? Like this. So there is, it has a protection for the, oh, this have a little fruits here. You see here, this vine I pulling, I noticed that there is one small fruits, hoping that it will grow big. So I think that is this cover is enough, and inshallah this will be survive in the climate. And also I see that there is also another small baby fruits here downside. This also need covering also. See this dry leaves, we can use this also to cover our fruits, so that it will not exposing to the sunlight. See this, our melon here is old enough, but so many leaves. There's leaves also. If I remove this, but there is a little new shoot here that coming, and this if there is more shoot that coming, then our natural fertilizer will be continue. See the dry leaves, very easy to grind. Very easy, see? Very easy to grind, and after that you put only in direct in the soil. See, oh. Because of the climate is very hot, that's why it's truly dried. That's why very easy to grind. Because if you grinding this and then after you watering this, very fast to decompose and eat by the bacteria, and after that this will be become fertilizers of the next plants that I planning to plant there. Like this only, or maybe this coming, maybe after 2 months season is cold, so I can plant with another vegetable. That's why I must to make ready this area for the next plant. See, like this only I making. See, only the dry leaves of the plants that are and also the roots of this if this I did not I will not removing the roots of this melon, so that these this root is better than the leaves, because this root is have more vitamin than the leaves. That's why we must not removing the roots of the plants. This also the one mistake of the farmer, because when they are cleaning their garden, they also removing the roots. But the good is roots have more vitamin than the trunks or the leaves of any plants or grass. According to the scientists that I before I watched there in the and also in the Google, some scientists tell that like that root is more vitamin mineral than the leaves. That's why this is also the mistake of the farmer. Mostly they are after weeding in their garden. You know, when removing the grass, they are also removing the roots, because they don't like to let the grass be grow again, because you know, the grass is very strong. Even the grass is you removing, and then you put only in the top of the soil, and then after that the coming the moisture, and then the new roots again will coming, and then this grass, even though you are not cultivating this grass, but it's very faster to grow again. And your after this grass will cover your plants. But you know, if we put more fertilizer in our garden, the grass is not growing. This also I noticed that, because if we put always this like this, some dry leaves or some other ingredients that will decompose. I notice also that the grass is not growing, because I think this grass, this which garden is the vitamin and minerals there is very little only. This grass are very vigorous to grow there, because this grass will contribute for the vitamin there. But but the mistake is we are removing this grass. This also the grass is telling that they are growing more there, because this soil is not fat, it's very thin. That's why they are growing there, so that this grass will give there so many fertilizer. That's why, because there in one area of my garden here, when I put more fertilizer there, the chicken dung, some other this camel dung also, and some this dry leaves, and after that this is before there are so many grass there. But after that making, I noticed that the grass is only little coming. And one time that I watching in the, and also in the YouTube, there are one scientist that tell like this, that if your garden is too much rich in the nutrients and vitamin, the grass will not growing more there. You will see only a little grass there. Well, that's why we must put some more nutrients in our soil, so that the grass will not grow more. And also let if you are removing the grass, we will not remove the roots of them. We must be cutting. And that's why also this this melon, and also any plants that are growing, I'm only cutting, like cutting here. I'm not removing. This is, you know, there is so many roots that will left there downside, and after that this will be become the food of the another plants, like this. And also this roots downside, when it decayed, this will become a tunnel for the roots of the new plant. So even though your garden you are not cultivating, you are not tilling, but the roots have the way or have the tunnel to go through that way. It's very easy for the roots to go, even though you are not tilling the soil, because of the roots of the old plants before their have. So no need to make a tilling, just only put the seeds, or maybe you will excavate only for the seeds only, and the other area you no need to call the tilling here. And also very easy for you to work in your garden, because you see some farmer or some gardener, they are always digging their soil before their planting. But if you are continue making like this, that even this grass and this your vegetable, you are not removing the roots, and after that this will be more tunnel down in your soil. So your new plants will be very easy for their roots to be scattered, because of the natural tunnel coming from the old roots that there are before the plant before have there. That is the advantage of that. Even though you are not digging, but you will notice that your plants will growing early, because the gardener, they are digging the soil, so that the roots of the plant they are planted is very easy to grow, because the roots is growing very abundant there downside, because the soil is soft. But like this, if the soil is not no digging, you will thinking that the roots will be very finding difficult to grow, because there is no they're finding but it making like this. Even though we are not digging, our plants is you will notice that this will grow fast because of that style. And also will not find of difficult in gardening. Okay, that is only for today. Thank you very much. Until now, even though this like this, we have harvested one melon. Okay, thank you very much. Next time again.